you, my fella. Just, see you later. Bye.
Thanks, Jimmy. That was so great. So, thank you for all showing up today. Just going to work on a little thing here that corporate sent down for us. All right, you need to get on your X's now. Can you do that? Get there. All right, good. All right, now face somebody around you and bend over. Just go lean forward a little bit. That's what I think they wrote down on this list here. Okay. Now grab your partner's arm and pinwheel. Pinwheel. All right. There you go. All right, you can stop doing that now. Need you to get in order of, no, not by height. It just says largest to smallest. So if you're small, get up here. Larger people get in the back. Form a line, like in front of me. Can you do that? Good.
Just make it fit.
Think you can do that? It's not that hard, people.
Make it work, okay?
Alright. What else do we got here? Do soft shoes. Make your shoes soft. Alright, that's enough of that. Alright. Make a bond that lasts forever with somebody. Go find someone else, not your partner. No, yeah. Yeah, firm handshake, like that guy right there. He's got it. That's how they know you're not a wimp. All right. All right. So go hide. See this guy right here? Hide behind him. Hide behind him. You're not hiding. That's not hiding. Hide more. There you go. Good job. Good job. All right, stop doing that. All right, now do soft shoes again, but do it twice as fast. Wasn't efficient enough last time. It's got to be more efficient. All right. All right, you're going to follow my lead now. All right, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch. Can you do that? Do that. 3, 4, punch. All right, go the other way. You saw me do it. You can do it the other way. That's good. That's good. Do that again. Keep going that way a little more. All right, turn that up. Really punch. And then scream. Dracula. There you go. All right, Superman, but keep screaming. All right. Stop doing that now. Run in place while screaming. All right, 3, 2, 1. Men, no eye contact. Women, make eye contact with the men. Do it. Can you do that? Come on. Make eye contact. Men, don't make eye contact. All right. All right, shake your butt while you're doing that, too. That'd be good. All right, think about what you're going to have for dinner tomorrow, because that's what your life's about. Work it. All right, line up again in the opposite order. Just do it. Just figure it out. No, stop. None of that. What are you doing? I said line up. All right. Look at your friend. Now slide to your left to the 10 times. Go to your left. Not his left or her left. Go your left. Keep doing that. Like the electric slide, CD skipping. All right, everyone make a computer sound. That's good. I like that. All right, I'll switch sides. Get on the other side. Come on. Get over there. What are you doing? All right, now you're going to sing your favorite song, but if you don't have a favorite song, you can't think of one, you have to sing Friday by Rebecca Black. Keep doing that. Knees. That's what I think it says. Knee. Just keep kneeing. And clap your hands. Knee and clap. Yeah. That's great. All right, face your partners. I didn't say stop clapping. Keep clapping. All right, good job. Take a break. You earned it. It's like lunch break. Go out to Wendy's or wherever the hell you people go and get your cheeseburger.
You get paid?
I'll see you in my office later. All right. Break's over. Shimmy like there's no tomorrow. Swim. Swim to the west. Swim to the north. All right, do the backstroke. All right, hide behind this girl right here. Make monkey noises. Surround her. Engulf her. Yeah, that's what I like. That's great. Good job. Alright, that's none of that. Alright. It says blow a kiss, but that's not obvious appropriate, so we're going to just stop there. Good job. I have a friend here who's going to give you some further directions now.